Yo, what is up? Trinity back with another video, man. Today I'm gonna be breaking down Mthulise by Big Zulu. It's a great composition, man, if you ask me. Of course, let me not waste your time. I started off with this Rhodes. As you can see, I layered two sounds of the Rhodes. This one is citrus and this one is a one shot. They're just like the same melodies. One are pitched up, then the other ones are pitched down, and blended together they sound like this. Now, if you watched the previous Big Zulu video, me breaking down Icala, you would notice that this drum pattern and that drum pattern is the same. I just added this riser over here. It's actually a riser crash. Then after that, I changed the kick. This kick pattern is the same as the one of Icala, but I changed and used this 707 kick. So with this kick, there's at a section somewhere here, it changes over here. Just for the bounce, you know, because Stallion is crazy with them beats, man. Then after that, I found these shakers. These two different kind of shakers. I just layered them together, and the first one sounds like this. And the second one sounds like this. I think the purpose of the shakers is to increase the energy. And then after that, I did this sub bass 808 thingy, and it's pretty much, yeah, it's actually simple, just for bounce, you know. After that, I added this kalimba sound, and it's from Expand. I layered two marimba and kalimba. It sounds like this. After that, there's this drum fill thing here. I had to remake it. This is how it is inside FPC. And then I did other toms. This one is just there in the background. And then there's this one. Yeah, that's pretty much how the beat was made. Just the fundamentals of the beat. And if you enjoyed this, man, leave a like, leave a subscribe. And if you want the FLP, leave a comment. Alright, peace.